Hi, this is Fl from homeowners right here in Davenport, Florida, close to Champions Gate. We are in Vista Park and we do the clubhouse. The crew is bringing our cleaning supplies and our vacuum. That is a small area and we are cleaning the outside windows. Carlos is wiping down the French windows. We are right here in Vista Park Resort. This is the tiny clubhouse that this neighborhood has. Hilda is cleaning the bathrooms right now. In the meantime, Juan Carlos is cleaning inside the windows, dusting all the surface, vacuum, and pretty much all the bathrooms are in really good shape. There is 2 bathrooms, and you can call us at 407-572-4118. Hilda already put some cleaning product inside the toilet. Vacuuming and dusting is the most important part, and refreshing and sanitize the bathrooms. You can call us at 407-572-4118 or visit our webpage, anyhousecleaning.com, right here in Champions Gate, Davenport, Florida, Orlando, Central Florida. Bye.